Okay, today we are going to start the process of electrolysis, and I don't know if I can zoom in on here quick enough or well enough. Now, I put it on a piece of white paper. This is the upper staple to the Freedom comic that we're working on right now, and it's jet black with rust. The trick here, and what we're going to do, and I'll take you out to the garage, the laboratory, and I'll show you how we mix up a electrolysis mixture. We are going to transfer um, the metal from the staple, meaning the iron oxide, to another piece of metal that will be negatively charged, and we will positively charge the staple with about 6 volts. And then I am going to put this on time lapse and we'll show you the process, and it will go for at least an hour before we check it. The trick with the old staples like this is you got to keep an eye on them, because if the whole thing is rust, you're going to end up with nothing. So we'll be very careful. Okay, everybody, this is my setup for the electrolysis. It looks very simple. I have a power supply connected to a piece of steel, and I have the positive connected to our staple. Now I've already got a little bit of power on it right now, and I'm going to show you how this works. We'll put this in the solution, and as you can see, hopefully you can see it, it's starting to bubble already. And this solution is nothing more than soda ash and water. And I use distilled water in this because I know it's clear of impurities. So what I'm going to do is set the camera up on a time lapse, and hopefully we can watch this thing over the course of an hour and see what happens.